Hi, I'm professional organizer Colette Robicheau, and I'm here today to talk to you about our laundry odor. It's a problem for many of us. We really think our laundry is a lot cleaner than it is. But think about it. We take our laundry that has been put in our hamper, laying around, we put it into our washer machine, and we bring it out and we put it in the same hamper. Now what we don't think about is how that hamper has lots of odor and bacteria that has transferred. So fortunately, neatfreak has developed a wonderful technology. EVERFRESH uses probiotic technology, similar to what you find in our yogurt. These living, beneficial microbes found in nature are bonded to fabric surfaces. They're exclusive to neatfreak and work in an amazing way. When they come in contact with odor, they activate and get to work. The science is amazing. They basically snack on the odor-causing bacteria until the odors are gone. And as if that isn't good enough, EVERFRESH is safe for what matters most: our children, our pets, and the environment. No toxins, no heavy metals, no perfumes, fragrance, no masking agents, and they're free of chemicals. Just natural odor control that keeps working. For more on this EVERFRESH technology, visit neatfreak.com.